This is a custom ISP1 from AIS. It's built to install O-rings inside your parts, repeatably and reliably. This build runs 2 head assemblies and 2 two-position shuttle fixtures, each one handling a different part. Head assembly A30, 2 O-rings, 2 installation depths controlled by the shuttle fixture. A tooling changeover takes about 12 minutes. Same chassis, completely different application. Head assembly A31, different part geometry, different O-ring, same precision placements every cycle. Custom built for your application. Request a quote at aisoring.com.